Hi, this is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of March 9th, 2010. Market Sense kind of a funny name since sometimes they don't make much sense. The charts we'll look at are courtesy of Genesis Financial Technologies and their Trade Navigator software. Let's start with the Treasury bond market. As you can see, the Treasury bonds came up here and made a double top over a period of about 5 weeks here. I think that's actually an exact 1802 price in this contract. And turning down from a double top, especially with a little bit of lower momentum as exhibited by the RSI down here, that would suggest that they're probably going down to this low area here, the lower band, which is, let's call it 115.08. However, so far this week, they seem to be stalling right in the area of the 22 Kelter band midline as well as the moving average here. So there's an area of roughly, let's call it 1613 to 1603. That's 116.13 to 03. If they do hold in this area, which so far they seem to be, there's certainly a chance they could come back up to the top here, which is just below 117 and a half, 117.14 or 15 area. They could certainly come back up that far. I'd expect them to stall there and still turn back down, but when a market shows strength in an area you don't really expect it to, maybe the market's just a lot stronger than you think. So, it bothers me that this double top is so obvious, an exact double top that even Stevie Wonder can see. Boy, maybe they got to take that out. But for now, really, it looks like they should turn back down to the lower band here, which is roughly the 115.05 or '08 area. Looking at stocks, they had this little inside bar here that occurred right at the mid band, and we said that would probably cause them to retest this high and probably go to new highs, and they certainly have moved up into that area. However, these breakouts like that are normally good for about 3 to 5 bars, and we are into the fourth bar here. It would not be really unusual for them to find resistance right in this area by the blue line here. The previous high in this contract was 1148. We'll be rolling to the new contract Thursday, but it's 1148 in this contract, and that's about where this resistance is. So it wouldn't be shocking to see them dump back down and just go down for a week and a half, find support in here, and then go over to new highs. But that's where it looks like today, and they should hold here. This the red line here is roughly 1120 area. They should probably continue to remain above that if they're going ahead and going up through this. We haven't had much economic news this week, so maybe there'll be something towards the end of the week that could act as a catalyst. As you can see, this is an awfully small bar so far, not much going on. But they've done exactly what they should have done. Come down into this support area here a few weeks ago, and they've been going up since. I'm just sort of thinking they might find some resistance as they test the old high, dip back down slightly, and then turn back to new highs. Of course, that's what I want to see, and the markets are sort of like females. They never show me exactly what I want to see. But that's what we're looking at today. I hope you can find something profitable for you to get into this week. Thanks for checking in, and hope to see you next week.